Good morning. আমি আজি geometric progression আৰু কিছুমান questions discuss কৰিম. So this is your question number 4 from exercise 9.3. So ইয়াত দিয়া আছে তোমাৰ fourth term of a GP is square of its second term and the first term is given -3. Determine its seventh term. So তোমাৰ common ratio দিয়া হোৱা নাই question টোত. So আমি ধৰি লৈছো let R be the common ratio of the given GP. ঠিক আছে আৰু তোমাক দিয়া আছে ফাৰ্ষ্ট টাৰ্ম a equal to -3 আৰু এটা কন্ডিশন দিয়া আছে তোমাক fourth term of a GP. Fourth term of the GP is equal to what? Square of its second term. That means a4, which is your fourth term, is equal to square of its second term, a square whole square. ঠিক আছে এটা a4 fourth term আমাৰ general term formula কি আছে if an is the second term, sorry, an is the nth term, then our formula is a into r n minus 1, a into r n minus 1, where a is the first term and r is the common ratio, n is the number of term, minus 1, where an. So here a4 as so what will be a r 4 minus 1, that means 3, and the a square will be a r 2 minus 1 1, so whole square. Next we have ar cube, ar square. ठीक है. Now what we do, r cube by r square. Now take common, better. Okay, you can do this way also. R cube by r square equal to a square by a, r equal to a, that is r equal to a, what it is, -3. So your common ratio is -3. Now what you have to find? Seventh term. Therefore a7 will be ar7 minus 1, which is 6, ar to the power 6. Your a value is -3 and your r value is also, r value we have got -3 to the power 6. So calculating will get -3 into this -6. Your final answer will be -2187. So this is the value of your seventh term. So question number 5, which term of the following sequence you are given the sequence, we will discuss question number B. Root over 3, 3, 3 root 3 is 7 to 9. That means we are given the GP sequence, and then we will find which term is your 7 to 9. So here first term a equal to root 3. In this sequence, what is our first term? Root 3. Second term is 3. Therefore common ratio we can find out. Common ratio is what? Second term divided by first term. Second term is 3, first term is root 3. So 3 and root 3 will get cancelled, will be left out with root 3. So our first term is root 3 and our common ratio we have found out, second term divided by first term root 3. So now we have to find 7 to 9. Let an equal to 7 to 9. We have considered as our 729 as our nth term. We have considered our 729. We have to find which term is 729. We have considered 729 be our nth term. We know that a and I is what? A into r to the power n minus 1 equal to 729. So next, in place of a we'll write root 3, and in place of r we are writing n minus root 3 n minus 1 729. Then here bases are same and the power is different, so we'll add the powers. 1 plus n minus 1, this one, and my minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled. 729 root 3 to the power n plus 729. So now what is this 729? This is in terms of 3, we are 3 to the power 6. Okay, 3n. In terms of 729 can be written as 3 to the power 6. So this 3 can be written as root 3. This 3 we are writing as root 3 to the power 12. Root 3 to the power 12. We can write it this way because 3 means what? Since 3 is actually root 3 whole square, because 3 can be written as root 3 whole square. So 3 we are writing as root 3 whole square, square into 6, 2 into 6, we are getting 12. Therefore bases are same. What will be the indices? 12. So our 12th term is 729. 12th term is 729. Clear? So now we discuss question number 7. Here to my kid is find a sum up to indicated terms. That means we have to find here to my 20 terms sequence dia ase to my given sequence. Given to my GP sequence because common ratio to my ke hobo sequence to my AP hoy na GP hoy ami check kori lobo laibo. So first ami sequence likhi loisu 0.0015. ठीक है here to my first term here. First term equal to 0.15. So common ratio tomorrow hobo second term divided by first term. So tomorrow divide kore 0.1 ahibo. ठीक है. So this is your common ratio. So etia tomorrow 0.1 it is less than 1. Tomorrow find out kabo kose to find sum up to indicated terms. That means S20. ठीक है. इटा আমি SN और দুটা फॉर्मूला पाइছো. SN equal to A Rn minus 1 divided by R minus 1. When is this formula applicable? When R is greater than 1. ठीक है. This is one formula. Another formula of SN is A 1 minus Rn divided by 1 minus R. When is this formula applicable? When R is less than 1. When R is less than 1, we use this formula. When R is less than 1. So now here R what we have got 0.1 which is less than 1. So we will use this second formula. Therefore in place of n what we have 20. Therefore as 20 will have A 1 minus R in place of, okay, first write it. Okay, first write, we know or we have Sn equal to, first write the formula, A 1 minus R to the power n 1 minus R, where R is less than 1. So therefore S of 20, A what we have got 0.15, 1 minus R what we have got 0.1, thing to the power n divided by 1 minus 0.1. So arrange it a bit. 0.15. So in place of n we need to write 20, because in place of n we have 20 here. 1 minus 0.1 20, 1 minus 0.1 it is your 0.9. Then this and this will get cancelled. Tomorrow থাকিবগে 15 by 9, 1 minus 0.9, 20. Hmm. 90 over tomorrow. So tomorrow 6, 1 by 6, 1 minus 0.1, 20. So this is your desired answer. Okay, this is a sum up to 20th term. This is a sum up to, what is this? That is sum up to 20th term. Sum up to 20th term when you're given GP series is this. With first term 0.15 and common ratio 0.1. Clear? Okay, now we will discuss question number 11. These are basic common questions. So another questions will both ahi thake. So evaluate question. That means you have to find the value of this. So likhi lo so ki dia ase tomar k equal to 1 goes to what? 11, 2 plus 3k. Now kwa asle this symbol denotes summation. This symbol tomar summation bujai. So ami ki korisu k values khini accordingly put kori goi asu. So k equal to 1 loa. When k equal to 1, when k is equal to 1, tomar ki hobo 2 plus 3 to the power 1. ঠিক আছে, whole first term. ঠিক আছে, okay, মই এবাৰ তোমাক দেখাই দিছোঁ মই বস্তুখিনি কেনেকুৱা আছিলে. Summation of a to the power ak, a to the power k নহয় ak, k equal to 1 to যেনিবা তোমাৰ n আছিলে, তেতিয়া আমি কি লিখিছিলোঁ summation of ak, what we write? In place of k we write 1 plus summation থকা কাৰণে plus, in place of k we write 2, then plus, then a3, then plus, goes on up to how to write a n. তাৰমানে k values বিলাক put কৰাৰ লগে লগে আমি plus 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 দি যাম. ঠিক আছে, so ইয়াত তোমাৰ ইয়াত টাৰ্ম কি আছে a1 ঠাইত ak ঠাইত আমাৰ ak ঠাইত আছে আমাৰ 2 plus 3k, 2 plus 3k, this is your ak. In place of ak we have 2 plus 3k. তো আমাৰ কি হ'বগে a1 ঠাইত আমাৰ কি হ'ব 2 plus 3 to the power 1 plus a2 ঠাইত আমাৰ কি হ'বগে k equal to 2 put কৰিম a2, k2 আমাৰ আকৌ 2 plus 3 to the power 2. ঠিক আছে, second term, then আমাৰ third term 2 plus 3 cube goes on. তাৰমানে এইখিনি তোমাৰ a1 মই লিখি দিছোঁ, তোমালোকে a1 এইবিলাক এক্সামত দেখিব নালাগে, মই জাষ্ট তোমালোকক দেখাই দিছোঁ a1, এইটো তোমাৰ হ'ব a2, এই তোমাৰ হ'ব a3, this is your a3, this is your a2, this is your a1. so continue এনেকৈ তোমাৰ গৈ থাকিব. ঠিক আছে, continue এনেকৈ তোমাৰ গৈ থাকিব. so পাবাগে কি কিমানলৈকে কৈছে তোমাৰ 11, k equal to 11. so কি লিখিব 2 plus a to the 3 আছিলে ন, 2 plus 3 to the power 11. so this is your a11 term, this whole complete is your a11 term. ঠিক আছে, এতিয়া আমি এৰেঞ্জ কৰি দিওঁ বস্তুখিনি অকণমান দেখোঁ ধুনীয়া কৰি দিওঁ. আকৌ এবাৰ মই ৰিপিট লিখি লৈছোঁ বাৰু 2 plus 3 to the power 1 plus 2 plus, মই আকৌ এবাৰ ৰিপিট লিখি লৈছোঁ বস্তুখিনি অকণমান চিষ্টেমেটিক কৰিবলৈ. 2 plus 3 square 3 cube goes on to what 2 plus 3 to the power 11. ঠিক আছে, এতিয়া আমাৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট টাৰ্মতো 2 আছে, 2 এক্সট্ৰাকৈ লিখা, ছেকেণ্ড টাৰ্মতো 2 আছে তোমাৰ প্লাছ 2, থাৰ্ড টাৰ্মতো তোমাৰ 2 আছে. ঠিক আছে, ইমান কেইটাত কিমান আছে আমাৰ 2, ইয়াৰ পৰা ইয়ালৈ আমাৰ from here to here how many terms we have 11 terms, we have 11 terms, ঠিক আছে, how many terms 1 2 3 how many terms 11 terms we have because আমাৰ k equal to কিমান আছে 11 আছে. ঠিক আছে, ইয়াত আমাৰ k equal to n আছিলে, so how many terms n terms, আমাৰ k equal to 11 আছে, k goes to 1 to 11, so আমাৰ 11 terms. so ইয়াত প্ৰত্যেক টাৰ্মত each term has a 2, so how many 2s will have 11 terms, so 11 2s are there, plus 3 1 3 square 3 cube goes on to what 3 to the power 11. ঠিক আছে, now this is what, this is our GP series 3 1 3 square 3 cube তোমাৰ common ratio আছে 3 আৰু first term আছে তোমাৰ 3 so তোমাৰ কিনে 2 কেটা আছে তোমাৰ 11 টা so we can write 2 into 11 plus this is a GP series you can write it here GP series this is a GP series ঠিক আছে with first term a equal to 3 and common ratio r equal to 3 square by 3 equal to 3 ঠিক আছে now this is a GP series isn't it this is a GP series so we can write some of these GP series as s to the power 11 s to the power 11 that is to our koi dekhasu here equal to tomar 2 into 11 what 22 will get now tomar a GP series to for this GP series what is your first term 3 so tomar our common ratio ki pala 3 which is greater than 1 so we will use the first formula 3 r to the power n ki ase tomar 11 n tomar ase here n number of terms tomar ase 11 so tomar hobo r to the power n tamne tomar 3 to the power 11 minus of 1 minus of tomar 1 whole thing divided by 3 minus 1 whole thing divided by r minus 1 r is what 3 r is your 3 so r minus 1 clear let's solve koriba 22 plus 3 to the power 11 3 minus 1 2 3 minus 1 2 3 to the power 11 minus 1 so this is your required answer tamne tumar yat ki asle mo akoba dekha disu tumar GP series 3 1 asle 3 square asle 3 cube asle goise kiman loke asle 3 to the power 11 loke asle so this is your GP series your first term tumar ase a equal to 3 common ratio tumar ase 3 square second term divided by 3 equal to 3 greater than 1 ঠিক আছে আর নাম্বার অফ টার্মস কিমান আছে 1 2 3 গৈ আছে কলকে গৈ আছে তোমাৰ 11 সো আমি আৰু তুমি জিপি সিরিজ তুমি সাম কৰিছা হয়নে সো ইউ নিড টু ফাইন্ড আউট সাম দিস ইজ আওয়ার জিপি সিকোয়েন্স উই আর সামিং ইট we are summing the terms of your GP series the sum of the GP series we know sum of the GP series these are your formula sum of the GP series these are your sum of the GP series formula so common ratio tomar 1 of ke greater hole we use this formula so using this formula I direct kori this clear very easy okay etia ami question number 12 discuss koro ya tomar koise the sum of the first 5 terms of a GP is this and their product is what 1 so amar common ratio আৰু টার্মস গিটা ফাইন্ড কৰিব কৈছে তোমাক ফার্স্ট টার্ম তোমাক দি নাই দিয়া কমন রেশিও তোমাক দিয়া নাই সো আমি ধৰি লম লেট a and small r be the first term and common ratio of the GP ঠিক আছে then Maki goes some of the first five no it is first 3 sorry some of the first three terms then according to the question Maki there's a plus first term plus first 3 second term okay right in this way first term plus second term plus a 3 some of the first 3 terms is given 39 by 10 yes and the product is given what 1 okay we'll do first this so first term tomar ki ase a lo ase second term tomar hobo a r n minus 1 n tomar 2 ase 2 minus 1 tomar r a r hobo tar tomar a third term tomar a 3 to tomar hobo ge a r 3 minus 1 mane square clear so tomar right hand side 39 by 10 itia tumi keep it as it is equation number 1 and tomar ki koise product of the and their product is plus 1 product tomar a1 into a2 equal to a cube tomar ki dise a3 1 so tomar a1 first term আমি a বুলি ললো second term আমাৰ ar third term তোমাৰ ar square equal to 1 ঠিক আছে so a তিনটা আছে তোমাৰ a cube r তোমাৰ 1 plus 2 cube equal to 1 এতিয়া তোমাৰ ar cube equal to 1 you can write or ar 1 to the power 3 ঠিক আছে 1 to the power ar you can write it as 1 to the power 3 these 3 we have taken right hand side then tomar hoboge 1 to the power 1 by 3 is 1 so this is your equation number 2 now divide 1 by 2 now divide 1 by 2 equation 1 by 2 so what will get left hand side a plus ar square whole thing divided by left hand side ar is tomar equation 2 or tomar right hand side of equation 1 is tomar 39 by 10 whole thing divided by 1 so here tumi a to common lo paiba numerator 1 plus tomar r plus r square ahibo out all of tomar a into r a cancel jabo 39 by 10 ঠিক আছে so tomar ite cross multiply kora 10 r okay 10 into 1 10 plus 10 r plus 10 r square equal to 39 r ঠিক আছে এটা তোমার quadratic equation হয়ে যাব 10 r square 39r minus 10r 39 no 10r minus 39r this minus 39r we are taking left hand side so tomar hoboge minus 25r plus 10 ঠিক আছে এতিয়া তোমার এটো quadratic equation এরপর তোমার 5 এটা কমন লৈ লব পারা তো তোমার 39 minus 10 to 29 hobo sorry 29r so tomar 100 25 into 4 25 into 4 is also 100 isn't it 10 into 10 100 and 25 into 4 is also 100 so 29 can be split as 25 minus r minus 4r plus 10 equal to 0 okay midterm splitting kori disu so next one yar pora tumi common loa 5r common loa to tomar thiba 5 to the 10 2r 5 ঠিক আছে আৰু minus 4r plus 10 about 2 common loa 2r minus common loa so a plus tomar minus hobo 5 equal to 0 so tomar hibo 2r minus 5 5r minus 2 equal to 0 therefore tomar 2r minus 5 equal to 0 or 5r minus 10 equal to 0 tomar hoboge 2r equal to 5 r equal to 5 by 2 or 5r equal to 2 r equal to 2 by 5 ঠিক আছে so r পাই গলো আমি common ratio পাই গলো so তোমাক ফাইন্ড কৰিব কৈছে কি find the common ratio so we have got the common ratio ঠিক আছে we have got the common ratio and the terms we are asking so we need to find what a1 a2 a3 therefore the terms so we have two common ratios so we will get two set of terms we'll get two set of terms when r equal to 5 so amar duta case ahibo when r equal to 5 by 2 so tomar the terms are to terms khini tomar ki asile a asile first term second term tomar ar asile third term tomar ar square so tomar a ami ki paisilu okay a ami poa na eta lage isn't it so we have not got 8 till now we have got only common ratio so before doing this we need to first find the a sorry, before doing this we need to first find a. So when r equal to 5 by 2 from equation 1, I got to 5 by 2 equation 1 to my a r equal to ki paisile equal to 1. So amar a ki hobo r to my ki pala 5 by 2 equal to 1. So your a will be, take it to your 5 by 2, take it to your right hand side. So to my hobo 2 by 5. So a you have got 2 by 5. A you have got 2 by 5. Therefore the terms are तुम्हारा नाम की की है a comma ar square, isn't it? These are the terms. So you can write a तुम्हारा 2 by 5. Second term तुम्हारा क्या है a to ar. So 2 by 5 into ar की पास a is your 2 by 5, r is your 5 by 2, and ar square. A तुम्हारा है 2 by 5, r तुम्हारा है 5 by 2 whole square. That is 2 by 5 comma this 2 and cancel hobo. তাৰপিছত তোমাৰ ইয়াৰ পৰা এটা cancel হ'ব, তো থাকিবগে কি 5 by 2. These are the terms when you have r equal to 5 by 2. Next case, when r equal to 2 by 5, r equal to 2 by 5, ঠিক আছে? Then তোমাৰ 1 implies ar equal to 1. So তোমাৰ হ'বগে কি r ঠাইত কি লিখিবা 2 by 5 equal to 1. So তোমাৰ হ'বগে a equal to 5 by 2. ঠিক আছে? Therefore then the terms are মই লিখি দিছো বা ইয়াত a comma ar square. So in this case when r equal to 2 by 5, so your a is what 5 by 2. So তোমার সিমাটো 5 by 2 comma a তোমার আছে 5 by 2 into r তোমার কি আছে 2 by 5 এই সেকেন্ড কেসত 2 by 5 আৰু আকৌ তোমার a square 5 by 2 into 2 by 5 whole square. So তোমার that is, it implies di দিব পাৰা, that is 5 by 2 you cancel যাব 1, এটা cancel যাব 1. So ইয়াতো তোমাৰ square আছে 2 square আছে 2 square আৰু 2 আছে denominator 2 আৰু 2 square তোমাৰ এটা 2 cancel যাব, ইয়াতো তোমাৰ 5 square আছে ইয়াত 5 আছে. So তোমাৰ cancel যাব, তোমাৰ হ'বগে কি 2 by 5. So these are your terms when r equal to 5 by 2. These are your terms. ঠিক আছে? These are your terms. And when r equal to 2 by 5, these are your terms. So after finding 5 by 2 we need to find a, because our terms kini ki asle a comma, because our terms are what a comma ar plus comma ar square. So we need also to find a with respect to r. Clear? It's a very easy question, but তোমালোকে অকমান প্ৰেক্টিছ কৰিব লাগিব আৰু প্ৰত্যেকটো ষ্টেপৰ পাছত কোনটো ষ্টেপ কৰিব লাগিব আমি অলপ জাষ্ট এনালাইজ কৰিব লাগিব. ওকে, এতিয়া আমি কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 14 লে আহোঁ. ইয়াত তোমাক কৈছে সাম অফ দ্য ফাৰ্ষ্ট 3 টাৰ্মছ অফ জিপি 16. প্ৰথম তিনিটা টাৰ্ম তোমাৰ সাম কৰিলে তোমাৰ জিপিটো কি পায় 16 পায়. এণ্ড সাম অফ দ্য নেক্সট 3 টাৰ্মছ তোমাৰ হ'ব a4 প্লাছ a5 প্লাছ a6 তোমাৰ কি পায় 128. চ' উই নিড টু ফাইণ্ড what ডিটাৰমাইন দ্য ফাৰ্ষ্ট টাৰ্ম, আৰু তোমাৰ কমন ৰেচিঅ' ফাইণ্ড কৰিব লাগে. এণ্ড এছ এন, সাম অফ টু এন টাৰ্মছ কৈছে এছ এন. চ' আমাক ফাৰ্ষ্ট টাৰ্ম দিয়া নাই, আমি ধৰি লৈছোঁ লেট এ এণ্ড আৰ be the first term and common ratio of the GP. ঠিক আছে? So according to question, next one, according to question তোমাক কৈছে কি some of the first 3 terms, that means তোমাৰ a1 plus a2 plus a3 equal to তোমাৰ কিমান কৈছে 16. এটা আমি ফাৰ্ষ্ট টাৰ্ম a বুলি ললো, so a লিখা. a2 আমাৰ হ'ব ar, because ar to the power 2 minus 1 হেতু আছে, আৰু a3 হ'ব তোমাৰ ar square equal to 16. so ইয়াৰ পৰা তুমি a2 কমন ল'ব পাৰিবা, 1 plus r square equal to 60 equation number 1 also তোমাক কি কৈছে sound the next three term that means তোমাৰ a4 plus a5 plus a6 equal to কিমান কৈছে তোমাৰ 128 ঠিক আছে 128 এতিয়া তোমাৰ আকৌ a4 হ'ব তোমাৰ ar cube a5 will be ar4 a6 will be ar5 128 so from here you can take ar cube common 1 plus r square plus now 1 plus r square equal to 128 take it as equation number 2 now what will do divide now 2 divided by 1 2 divided by 1 koile amar hobo ar cube 1 plus r square whole thing divided by 1 plus r square equal to 128 by 16 so this will get cancelled this a get cancelled r cube tomar hoboge 128 divided by 16 into 8 6 8 6 are 48 it is 8 plus 4 tomar 12 8 hobo to r cube equal to 8 so tomar r cube equal to 8 that means r cube equal to 2 to the power 3 therefore r equal to tomar ki 2 common ratio tumi dhuniage 2 pai gola common ratio lebo koisile tomar etia tomar ki lebo koise first term put in equation 1 then from equation 1 tomar a find out kobo koise common ratio 2 pai gola 1 plus 2 plus 2 square equal to tomar kiman ase right hand side 16 a 4 isn't it 2 plus 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7 into 16 so tomar a value hobo 16 by 7 so therefore ঠিক আছে a o pala 16 by 7 r o pala 2 lastly tomar ki hobo kole sum up to n terms now lastly sn so tomar a ki hoy 2 greater than 1 so amar konto formula hobo a into r n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 so tomar a ami ki palu 16 by 7 r ami ki palu 2 to the power n minus 1 by 2 minus 1 so tomar hoboge 2 minus 1 mane 2 1 tomar 16 by 7 2 to the power n minus 1 is the required answer clear very easy okay এতিয়া আমি question number 17 discuss কৰো তোমাৰ এটা very interesting question তোমাক কি কৈছে 4th 10th and 16th terms of a gpr তোমাক দিয়া আছে x y 7 respectively তাহাঁতৰ values কিটা দিয়া আছে তোমাৰ 4th term তোমাৰ value হ'ব x 10th term তোমাৰ value হ'ব y 16th term তোমাৰ value হ'ব z তো তোমাক কি কৈছে x y z are in gp বুলি দেখাব লাগে x y z are in gp so তোমাৰ তিনটা terms x y z are in gp তিনটা টার্ম যদি তোমাৰ gp থাকিব হয় তাহাতৰ ৰেশিওটো কি হ'ব লাগিব সেম হ'ব লাগিব their ratio must be same that means তোমাৰ y by x second term divided by first term the ratio of the second term by first term must be same as ratio of the second term by first term must be same as ratio of third term divided by second term divided by second term then only tomar x y z এই তিনটা নাম্বার tomar gp ta sable কবলে পাইব so আমি যদি দেখাব পাৰো y divided by x is same as z divided by y then we are done that means x y z are in gp ঠিক আছে তে এই gp to tomar first term দিয়া নাই আৰু common ratio দিয়া নাই so আমি ধৰি লৈছো let a and r be the first term and common ratio of the gp of the given gp ঠিক আছে then tomar fourth term according to the question likhi diba pare according to the question fourth term tomar a r 4 minus 1 mane ki 3 ঠিক আছে equation no eto value ki dia ase tomar x isn't it a r cube 4 term tomar x dia ase next tomar 10th term a r 10 minus 1 n minus 1 n ot 10 ase tomar kiman dia ase y aru tomar dia ase a 16th term tomar dia ase this AR 16 minus 1 is 15 is Z দিয়া আছে তোমাৰ so এতিয়া আমি কি ফাইন্ড আউট কৰো A16 তোমাৰ Z পালা A10 Y পালা A4 X পালা now take it as equation number 1 equation number 2 equation number 3 আমি কি কৈছিলো x y z jp থাকিব if ratio of y by x that is second term divided by first term second term মানে তোমাৰ 10th term by fourth term now y by x equal to তোমাৰ কি হ'বগে y by x তোমাৰ left hand side আছে a r to the power 9 divided by a r to the power 3 a cancel যাব তোমাৰ হ'বগে y by x তোমাৰ r basis তোমাৰ কি আছে 9 minus 3 so তোমাৰ হ'লগে y by x equal to r to the power 6 ঠিক আছে and আৰু আমাৰ কাৰ ৰেশিওটো কি হ'ব লাগিব x y z এপি থাকিলে z by y z তোমাৰ আছে a r to the power 15 divided by a r to the power 9 a cancel যাব তোমাৰ z by y তোমাৰ হ'বগে r to the power 15 minus 9 r to the 15 minus 9 তোমাৰ r to the power 6 so তুমি কি পালা z by y তোমাৰ হ'লগে r to the power 6 so ইয়াত কি দেখিছা y by x তোমাৰ r to the power 6 z by y তোমাৰ r to the power 6 therefore it equation number 4 দিয়া equation number 5 দিয়া ঠিক আছে from 4 and 5 আমি কি দেখিছো right hand side একে আছে so we get left hand side তোমাৰ একে হ'বই লাগিব y by x equal to z by y because তোমাৰ right hand side r by 6 একে আছে ঠিক আছে right hand side তোমাৰ একে আছে হেকানে তোমাৰ left hand side ও একে হ'ব লাগিব so y by x equal to x z by y that means that is what x y z are in gp this is a very interesting question আৰু I had তোমাৰ 3 marks মানৰ কাৰণে clear